Today we will show you how to customize the settings for your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but instructions are similar for Android smartphones. First, we will discuss how to access your CIRQA Smart Band settings. To do this, you will need to have your device paired with the Garmin Connect smartphone application. See our Getting Started video for help with this process. Begin by opening the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Select the device icon in the top right corner. Your battery life will be displayed. Now, select your CIRQA Smart Band. You'll see the settings menu for your device. We will only highlight some of the settings in this video. First, let's discuss how to set an alarm for your CIRQA Smart Band. The band alerts you using vibration. Start by selecting Alarms. Select Add Alarm. Set your alarm time and make any customizations. Then select Save. Select the back arrow to return to the settings menu for your CIRQA Smart Band. When your alarm goes off, simply press the button to snooze it or hold the button to turn it off. Next, we will discuss how to adjust your health and wellness settings. Select Health and Wellness. Here you can adjust your heart rate settings, broadcast your heart rate, adjust pulse ox, and more. Select Status to enable or disable the heart rate sensor on your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. Select Broadcast Heart Rate to transmit your heart rate data to another device, such as an Edge cycling computer. Select Status to enable heart rate broadcasting. Then select Yes to confirm an open connection with other devices. Tap Status again to stop broadcasting your heart rate. The Health and Wellness menu is also where you can adjust your wellness goals and adjust the auto-detected activity setting. Let's adjust our step goal. Select Daily Steps. Select the daily step value. Then enter your new daily step goal. Next, select the back arrow. Select the back arrow again to return to your device settings. Next, we'll talk about the notifications and alerts options. Here, you can edit what alerts occur on your device. This can include abnormal heart rate, stress, and goal alerts. Now, let's discuss changing the wearing location setting for your CIRQA Smart Band. Select User Profile. Here you can see health data including your VO2 max and fitness age. You can also adjust your sleep schedule and heart rate zones from this menu. Now select Wearing Location. Adjust the wearing location as desired. You can also adjust the wearing location of your band for individual activities from the Activity Options menu. Here, select an activity to change the band position. Next, let's talk about your device's Power Manager settings. Here, you will see the option to enable Battery Saver and Battery Alerts. Select Battery Saver. The Garmin Connect smartphone application will list the features that are automatically disabled when Battery Saver is enabled. Then, enable the setting. You can also enable the Battery Status option from this menu. This will display the battery level for your device through the LED on your CIRQA Smart Band. To do this, double-tap the module. The LED will indicate your device's battery level. Now, we will show you where you can power off your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. Select System. Here you can adjust your format settings, reset your device, update the software, and more. Now select Power Off. Lastly, select Agree. Setting changes will be sent to your CIRQA Smart Band automatically before powering off. Turn your CIRQA Smart Band back on by pressing and holding the button until the LED flashes. And that's all we have on adjusting settings for your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. For more help, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!